Absolutely stunning, just in direct from a local owner who I've dealt with for many years, a good friend of mine. This Volkswagen Golf 1.5 TSI SE navigation, finished in pure white. It is absolutely gorgeous. Registered in December 2018 on a 68 plate. It was pre-registered, and he bought it with just delivery mileage a couple of weeks later. Just 28,000 miles, full service history, absolutely gorgeous all the way around, totally unmarked. This is the 1.5 SE EVO with just great spec on it. Front and rear parking sensors, Blue Motion technology, great size boot on it, 3-load facility, putting your skis, wood, fishing rods, whatever you like through there. Split folding rear seats, nice clean boot, comes with a spare wheel, complete toolkit there, 130 brake horsepower, all the loading area nice and clean, no damage there. All the bodywork is totally unmarked, no dents, scratches, scrapes anywhere down the sides. All the wheels in great condition, good tyres all the way around. None of the wheels have been refurbished, this is how the car came in. So nice original wheels all the way around. Very spacious cars, lots of space, lots of room. Just a close up of the near side front wheel. Again in great condition. All across the front. Blue Motion technology, nice blue line across the front, just sets it off nicely. And a good close up across the front, just to show you there's no dents, no scratches, no scrapes, no major stone chips. You might find a very odd one, but very nice, beautiful all the way around. And we did the videos to show you exactly how nice all our cars are, so nothing is left to chance. So you can make an informed decision from the comfort of your armchair. Remember, many customers have made decisions based on our videos, our descriptions and our reviews. All on the inside, all the door trims in great condition, no damage to those. All the upholstery totally unmarked, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. All beautifully clean. All the headlines. Again, the driver's door trim. Electric windows, electric mirrors, got the folding mirrors. Driver's seat. Again, all in great condition. There's the mileage, 28,340. That's what it's done, 28,340, December 2018. Very low mileage, almost one owner. That's the last owner bought it with just delivery mileage when it was about 2.5–3 weeks old. Great stereo system. Nice big clear screen, satellite navigation, all touch screen. Nice easy to scroll through. Various apps. Bluetooth phone connection. All very nice and easy. Park Pilot, which is the front and rear parking sensors, and of course you've got the driving modes to get it just perfectly right. Individual, sport, normal, eco, air conditioning, SD card, CD player in the glove box, 6-speed manual gearbox, and that's the button for the functions for the suspension. Got auto hold, cruise control, adaptive cruise control on the vehicle, just at the distance for the vehicle in front of you. Various menu shows across the front of the dashboard. Navigation, compass, audio, Bluetooth, all nice and clear in front of you. Of course, the folding mirrors which I mentioned. So there it is, our beautiful low mileage Volkswagen Golf with just 28,000 miles in absolutely outstanding condition. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, of course full HPI checked and clear. Part exchange, always a pleasure. Check our online finance offers for HP or PCP deals. Read about our raving fans reviews and see why customers like this gentleman who's dealt with us since the 1980s keep coming back time and time again. Specialist Cars, multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Click and collect this car from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Very simple, ask us for further details. Remember our full money back guarantee. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 out of our website. Click and reserve, and when you come to collect it, if you feel the car is not as described, we'll refund the deposits, no question asked. Very simple, very easy. We make buying and selling cars a simple, very quick, easy, hassle-free process. Our phone number is 01782 822 700. Any further information or a more personalised video of any aspects we may have missed on this video, we'll gladly send you a more personalised video, more in depth of anything that you wish to see. Phone number 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles at 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.